What if I told you this AI could build a working app just from your words? No coding, no downloads, and it's completely free. Yep, that's real. Let me show you how. Alright, let me reveal to you GenAI Studio, Google's latest AI platform that allows you to build full apps using just plain English. This is how it works. You describe the app you want, and it builds everything from scratch to finish. No coding knowledge required. Alright, that's amazing news. So let's build a working app together in just a few clicks. First, let's head over to Google GenAI Studio. Type studio.firebase.google.com in your browser, or simply click the link in the description of this video. You'll need to log in with a Google account, so go ahead and do that. It's that simple. Once you're inside the studio, we want to write the first prompt to start building our app. By the way, what idea is in your mind that you wanted to turn it into a fully functional app? Go ahead and challenge your creativity, but I'm just going to build a simple app to make this tutorial easy to follow. But you can build anything you want. Now, describe the app you want by entering it in the prompt section. I'm going to build a simple quiz app, so I will start writing how I want the app to be. So, create a simple multiple-choice quiz app. The app should have a start screen, a question screen that shows one question at a time with 4 answer options, and a result screen at the end showing the total score. The user should be able to select an answer, move to the next question, and restart the quiz after finishing. Use basic UI design with buttons and text only. When you're done writing your prompt, click on Prototype this app. GenAI will summarize your app plan, including the features and design. If you're not okay with the features and design, you can ask it to make some changes. By clicking on Customize at the top, then you can make the necessary adjustment. And if everything is fine, just click on Prototype this app button here. Let's give GenAI some time and it will automatically build the layout, user interface, and even the back-end logic. Yep, it's done building our app, and that's a beautiful and neat design there. Let's test if it's working. I will go ahead and try my luck answering the questions. Yep, this is the result. What did you get? The good thing is that we can test it right there. Edit everything still in plain English. So if there's anything you don't like or something like a new feature you wanted to add to it, you can do that. Start by describing the changes you want to make. I want to give the app a beautiful name, so I will write change the app name to Smart Quiz. Click send and give it some time. Let's see what's going to happen. And yep, it has made the changes. Still not happy with how it looks? You can keep prompting. Try change color themes, or make buttons bigger, or add a share question feature. Just type what you want. No coding, just plain English. And when you're ready, you can publish your app by clicking publish at the top right. I will handle the publishing part in a separate video, so let's move on. Alright, so what types of apps can you build? This isn't limited to just task apps. With GenAI, you can create feedback forms, expense trackers, booking apps, quote generators, learning quizzes, business tools, literally any small utility app or prototype you can imagine. GenAI can build it with a prompt. I think GenAI is game-changing because, to be honest, learning to code takes time. Hiring developers is also expensive. But now, AI gives everyone the power to turn ideas into apps. Coupled with, it is fast, free, beginner-friendly, and no code required. This is a game changer for students, creators, business owners, and developers who want to speed up their workflow. Alright, a tip to make the best out of this video before we go. When you build your app, ask GenAI to explain how this app works in simple terms, and it will teach you what it just created. That's how you learn and build at the same time. If you've ever had an app idea but didn't know how to build it, this is your moment. Head over to GenAI Studio, type what you want, and watch your app come to life. Let me know in the comments, what's the first app you'll build with GenAI? Like this video if you found it helpful, Subscribe to Paw Tech Tips for more AI tutorials that actually work. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.